screen is the retina of the mind's eye.
The real action, the pot party, the trippers, the grasshoppers, the hip ones, all gathered in secrecy and flying high as a kite. Outside the boundaries of their phony world of kicks is the ever-present possibility of discovery. This must be avoided at all costs, for discovery brings with it the penalties of society: shame, arrest, prison.
The music you've been hearing play in the background was made completely from code. Artificial intelligence and machine learning combined, this is what Python is capable of. Artificial intelligence using Python has mastered the recreation of voices of artists who aren't even alive today, and can make new releases sounding just like them. A few good examples, like Michael Jackson or Frank Sinatra. Python is a programming language that was designed and conceived by Guido van Rossum in the early 90s. After thoroughly being designed for its readability and dynamic indentation, major corporations adopted it as a main language soon after its release for its simplistic readability and library framework that made everything more efficient, requiring less lines of code. Google even loves Python so much that they rewrote their entire web crawler, which was originally coded in Java, in Python. Yet, just because Google loves it doesn't mean you or I will. What makes it special besides its dynamic infrastructure? Being the most demanded programming language in reports in 2022, the language is surely popular for major reasons. As mentioned earlier, Python was built for its readability. Its programs, or any program you write, is sent out as a source code. A source code is a text or list of commands to be assembled into a readable computer program, basically being interpreted in the way a computer would understand it, such as numbers, symbols, and characters that we humans do not use to take in information. Despite being a general-purpose language, Python has made its way into the most complex technologies, such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and so on. A language so simple amongst major intricate languages is definitely the last competitor you would expect to take over the throne. Python's libraries, or source code, is a vast list of codes that can get things done in mere minutes. A library is an umbrella term referring to a reusable chunk of code, or source code. A library can contain a collection of related modules and sources of code, which are called packages. And overall, this usage of libraries is called the Python Package Index, also known as a dictionary of reusable codes you can take down in minutes and get intricate programs compiled in mere seconds, which is why Python is in high demand for most corporations right now. And if you still have some trouble understanding it, just know that Python is one of the very few delicate languages out there worth investing time in. And once you learn one language, the rest flow to you.